This is a short video about how to fill out that invoice sheet. Take you maybe 90 seconds, 120 seconds tops. Now, I'm doing mine in Excel because I like Excel. It does the math and I don't have to worry about math errors. And then also because you couldn't see what I'm writing down. But this is the invoice sheet that you should have. Now it's missing some things. All this information right here, their company address and name and email. Naturally, there's no point in putting that on the internet. And the symbol, any place that's I feel shouldn't be on, will be missing. Legal name, that's me. I just type in my name, my full name. I'm just going to type partial stuff here just so we go fast. Phone number, that's my phone number. Oh, that's not my phone number. Address, that's my address. Screwed up already. Phone number, that's my phone number. Type in the whole shooting match now. These are already did, just for sake of time. January 15th, that's when we were there. Encore is who we worked for. The name of the storm event, Ice Storm 1/14/2024. That's what they told us. Now, get to the next section here. You notice the top 5 say labor. All say labor. This is where you put your hours in. Now, in my case, I worked 2 days, 8 hours, both days. 8 hours is regular time. On the second day, I worked more than 8 hours. That would be time and a half. Let's focus on the 16. See, it says regular time. So I had 16 hours of regular time. And the rate is, you would be doing this, writing this out. I'm typing it. 28. And that's, you would multiply those two numbers and you would get that. In my case, I worked 14 hours the second day because the roads were so bad. So I had 6 hours of time and a half. That's 42. There's that. That's all the time that I had. That's it. Next section would be, at least in my case, I had to go to the airport to pick up a car. I had somebody drive me there. So they drove me there and they drove back. It was 60 miles each way. That's 120 miles. Then when I got back, they had to do the same thing again. So I get 2 of those trips. 120-mile trips, be 240 miles total. So I type in or write in 240 here. The mileage rate is already on your sheet, and that would be mine. Yours is going to be different. Total meals, and yours might be different. Here, both of them will be blank. I had 6 meals, and it was $15 a meal. So that's my total. Yours will be different, possibly. So that is the extent of it. In the case, Excel totals it all up down here for me. There's my total labor. Remember those top 5? That's all that goes into this row. Expense, that was, if you notice right here, that's the second group. Your expenses, not receipts now. We're only talking about what I have here. My total expenses was $255, and it totals it up. Now, I erased out, you could see right here, on your sheet, you will have an email address. Once you fill this out, at least in my case, this is Excel. They want it in PDF. So I've got it filled out or scanned or some sort of way. But at least in my case here, I go here, save as. I change this to PDF, which would be all the way down here at the bottom. And save. And that is what I email to those people. Not this. This is, well, actually, this is the one, isn't it? I email this sheet to that address that is not visible here and was not visible down at the bottom. And that's all you have to do. Now, if you're still unsure, maybe you want to email it to Belinda or somebody to check, but it might be a good idea until you get good at it. But see, there's nothing to it. I mean, it's extremely simple.